Welcome to the third lesson on percentage change, where we're going to look at reverse percentage, where typically we've got the price of something in a sale, we know it went down 20%, now costs £80. What did it cost previous to the sale? We're going to use this relationship. The old value is our new value divided by the PAC. And remember, PAC is 100% plus or minus the change. So here's an example. And you might want to write it down, in which case pause the video. A TV set costs £190 on the sale, 5% off. How much did it cost beforehand? So our PAC is 100% minus 5% is 95%. And therefore we say, okay, old value is our new value divided by 95%. We should have a percent sign there. So I'll just go and put percent sign on, because that is the wonderful thing about this. We can do that for you. Oh, should be a percent sign here. So let's put one on there. Right. So 190 divided by 95% is 200. And we'll just quickly look to see how we can enter that in our calculator. So I've unshare the screen. We get our calculator. I like to use the fraction button. So I can do 190 over 95, shift percent equals. And hopefully you can see what I've done there. But equally, what we could have done, rather than write 95%, we could have got the calculator to work it out for us, which is quite nice if we do that. And so what we have to do is we have to put remember the PAC is 100% minus 5%. So we can just put it in like that. So hopefully you can see we put in our 100% minus the 5% and we get the same answer. But some schools like to work with the decimal version of PAC. They call it multiplier, and they'll call it 0.95% is the same as 0.95. And some pupils prefer to work that way, in which case you can enter it like that. Now it's entirely up to you which way you want to enter the sums. All I want you to do is get them right. Then everybody's happy. That's what we call a win-win. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at some questions. So what I want to do now is, as ever, get pen and paper, pause the video, then have a go at doing these, and hopefully you will get them all right. So, best of luck. And here are the answers. Now let's just quickly look how we could have got those. We could have got them as, move that up. We could have literally done 25,830 divided by, our PAC is going to be 105%. This one, the PAC is 140%. So we could have gone 56 divided by 140%. And on this one down here, because it's a reduction, it's 100% minus the 15%. So we could have done 552.50 divided by 85%. And finally, the last one we did. We like this one because 50% is easy to work out. This is going to be 36 divided by 50%, which is, you've got to remember 50% is a half, and dividing something by a half, we double it, and effectively, if you double 36, you get 72. Hopefully you got all those right, and hopefully you've decided which way you want to enter the data into your calculator. You're happy with using the PAC, you're happy with the equations, then hopefully you will pick up lots of marks in the exam, because there's percentage questions all over the place. There's a few more percentages videos, so check those out, where we're going to look at compound interest, and we're going to look at how to work out, we know our new value, the old value, we can work out what the percentage change was. So can I thank you very much for listening, and hope that you will tune in for the rest of percentage videos.